Yesterday, we have gone through the water resource. In the water resource, I talked about groundwater resource, and then as well as a little bit surface water. And India is receiving 100 hours of rainfall. Out of that, 4,000 billion cubic meter of rainfall is taking place. But hardly we have around 2,000 on the surface. And from this surface, I said that 433 is going into the groundwater, and then 690 that we are able to utilize in the surface water. So total 1123 billion cubic meter we are able to have utilized, and the rest around, I said that 850 that they are, I said that it is draining into the ocean. So in the coming time there will be a large amount of scarcity of water will be there. So we'll have to increase increase the storing directly or indirectly as much water from the surface, so that we can also increase indirectly somewhere, I said that groundwater. Yesterday I talked about also that India is saying, and then I said that management program of groundwater, and then model is also talking about that if we'll be able to harvest water, rainwater harvesting, if we'll do rainwater harvesting means catching the rainwater in the different ponds and different kind of catchment area, or I said ponds are one of the, I said the check dam, small canal system, making several ways we can restore the water, that is rainwater harvesting, roof rainwater harvesting. So if we'll do in 45 million hectare of the land where the rainfall, I said that very high surplus rainfall, in that region we can increase how much? 36. Okay. So this is the one, you know that 36 is not any small figure, but it is you know that at present हम लोग कितना use कर रहे हैं, you know that our whole India, I said that around 60 billion cubic meter of water in the drinking water, bathing and everything. So this 36 billion is not a small figure. It's a very big figure. In the coming time, आज के डेट में हमारी population, if I say that our population is, I said around 1.3 billion. So if in the future it will multiply little more, maybe 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, we have to increase little more. But we should be very much, I said that we should be always, I said that thinking like conservation of water. How to conserve the water, how to conserve the water. Every drop of water if you are saving, it will be the good future. Otherwise, not for India, it is for the Pakistan, it is for the China, it is for the Bangladesh. All these countries. Otherwise, in the future, water will be main and major issue for the water fight between these countries. And then, if you can be able to see only in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, you can be able, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, there is an interstate river water disputes. Only due to because the Tamil Nadu is facing some less rainfall and comparatively, therefore there is a disputes is existing. Similarly, I said that most of the rivers in India and in the world passing through not only one country, it is passing through the different countries. In India, it is passing through the different states. So there is an interstate river water dispute is there. So possibly there should be an act, and we should try to negotiate. If you are not able to negotiation, you know that already the center come in through the intervention. At a union level it comes. At central level this interstate river water disputes comes, in which that he talks about through the negotiation. If the negotiation get failed, then there should be a tribunal court should be there, and it is there that they are trying to resolve the problem. So I said that our thought should be conserve the groundwater, and we have seen that we have 433. In this one we are getting, I said that around 343 through the, I said that surface and recharging, and through the canal irrigation system it is around 19 billion cubic meter water in the groundwater it is reserving. We have seen like this, and thereafter we are also watching out out of this how much water is going for irrigation, and we have seen like 362 will go for irrigation and 71 four-wheeler is going for irrigation, and the 71 is going for in this one around 60 billion cubic meter go for the drinking water supply. Everybody is removing 66 billion, it is going for what is an I said industries, and then it is going for the other purposes. So हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत यूज कर रहे हैं उसमें से ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई, वी आर आल्सो अराउंड 4-5 billion cubic meter. So I said that in the future population is going to increase, groundwater, as we have seen that farmers are dying in India, the situation is very worse in India. So groundwater is one of the source that they are removing if the surface water is not available. And yesterday we have seen what is the position, what is the growth rate of, I said that surface water irrigation system, canal irrigation system, their pace is very slow. So automatically we can't do, our farmers are largely dependent on what? Groundwater. So therefore the government has done, it is not done like I said that it has not done bad. They have made the pump sets to be free, subsidized. Go and purchase, remove the groundwater. Every year it is replenished, it is also good. But you know that by doing this, and the government is also providing them cheap electricity. As we have seen, like I said, that every state electricity board, it is providing, I said that 1/3 of their electricity to the rural areas. Kitna 33% of electricity. Yadi 100 unit they are producing, 33 unit is going to what? And the rest it is going to the other. उस 33 में से केवल 3% का ही revenue आता है. So there is a very, itself the government is highly subsidized, and we have seen there is a great, I said that the amount which is involved in the, I said that development of this region, it is equivalent to, I said that $240 billion, and we talked about, I said that कभी आपने किसी बैंक को देखा होगा लोन देते हुए 1 billion, 50 million, 500, 700 million dollar, and $1,000 million means 1 billion. आपने देखा होगा कि गवर्नमेंट कभी कभी इंडिया इज आस्किंग अबाउट दैट कि मुझे वहाँ पे एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, तो वर्ल्ड बैंक कम एंड सी, ओके आई विल रिलीज यू 1.5 billion, इसमें से $600 million राइट नाउ आई एम गिविंग, एंड देन $900 million आई विल गिव यू. तो ये, और हम लोग कितना दूसरी जगह पे कर रहे हैं, यू कैन थिंक लाइक. तो गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग वेरी हाई subsidized rate to the development of this sector, but it is an I said that matter of everyone. It is a matter of everyone. Like we, each every Indian people, if every day we are, as I said that every day in the 2025 that it will be I said that 1,000 cubic the billion cubic meter I said that cubic meter of water that you are using, हमें कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. हम लोग नहाते हैं, धोते हैं, देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स, बट इवन देन हम लोग 1-1 लीटर 2-2 लीटर भी पानी सेव करें, मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा टैप नहीं चलने दें, एंड एवरी इंडियंस आर डूइंग. तो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ व्हाट आई सेड दैट 1.3 billion liter of water will be saved if everyone is saving 1 liter. Yes or not? 1.3 billion people are saving, it means 1.3 billion liter of water. And then आप सोच रहे मैं कितनी फिगर की बात कर रहा हूँ, 2-3 मीन्स इट इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड पर्सनल एफर्ट. शायद आपको आज पानी पीने के लिए मिल रहा है, लेकिन ड्रॉप इज वेरी, 1 drop of water is very much in the, what is the importance. I said that if I'll go for out of 1123, 690 billion cubic meter of water is available. And if I see that any river in India in the north to south, so if I say that, I said that Tapi river में कितना पानी है 14.8, and this much water is going to be also 14.5 is going to be utilized. नर्मदा में you can be able to see 45 है तो 34 utilize हो रहा है. But if I'll come into the largest river of India, it is Brahmaputra, and then I'm talking about, I said that Ganga, and Brahmaputra I have said the largest volume of water, and then you can send this much, and how much utilized? Getting my point? So most of the water it is in a surface rainwater, and then this is in a high if it is in a इतनी पानी नीचे आ जाए साउथ में तो that is in a change ही हो जाए scenario. So I said that there is a high need to use this water, and we have also so many rivers which is coming from the Brahmaputra river is coming from the different. I said that is state China, and that is in Tibet, and then Satluj river, Indus river. Then we should also have some kind of issues regarding it. We should also concern regarding in the future if there will be some kind of issues, then how to resolve. So, or if you see, like I said, that Ganga 525, how much there Ganga river is utilizing? It is very less, yes or no? So you can think like if you are understanding इस level पे आप सोचोगे, but most of the states if you go, I said that Subhan Rekha 12 and then using 6, Brahmani Baitarani 28 using 18, Mahanadi 66 using 49, yes. That is comparatively okay, but this is a large gap. Which are the two rivers, especially Brahmaputra? As I said that which river has the largest volume of water of the whole India? Brahmaputra. Understood? And therefore we can be able to see how much it is under the utilization. Very less. Understood? And most of the water goes into the Bangladesh and after that in the ocean. So it is useless. We should interlinkage the river water system and all. So we should try to utilize much and much more. And ये सारे मिलाकर आपको जो हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा आपका 2000. Getting my point? So north it is getting more rainfall. And when the south is getting, if I am talking about anyone, I said that 200 कहीं पे आप देखोगे तापी रिवर, इन द रिवर साउथ ऑफ द तापी में जितने भी हैं तो कहीं पे बहुत सारा बड़ा गैप है और कहीं पे तो बहुत अच्छा यूटिलाइजेशन. So I said that so average annual flow and utilization, we have this data, it is there. Understood? So my concern to understand that I have to use the surface water. 2000 में से हम लोग 433 हम लोग नीचे चला जाता है, and we have left with I said the rest something I said 1550 उसमें से 690 we are able to utilize for the surface in the irrigation, canal, dams, और पानी river में ही रहता है, some lakes में and all, ponds and all. But we have in the future rainwater harvesting and one I said that watershed management, macro, micro. तो whenever we'll grow तो हम लोग कम से कम 1500 तक पहुंच सकते हैं और ये हमारा फ्यूचर का डिमांड है. In 2050 around 1400 some water needed and right now 1100. So if you have an 1100 then in the future I need 1400, so we have to work hard. This 300 billion कहाँ से आएगा? So we have to work on it, and the recent time it is going to require in 2050. And it's not far. लोगों को 2000 से 2017 पहुंच के पता नहीं चला. लोगों को ऐसे ही होता है, आप लोग छोटे से बड़े हो गए पता नहीं चला. So there is a time will pass and 2050 will come. So I said that surface water resource कौन सा, you know that rivers हैं, lakes हैं, tanks हैं, reservoirs हैं, any catchment area. Understood? These are, I said that it is known as I said that surface water availability. And then National Commission for Integrated Water Resource Development has said that Indian river system, average annual flow in Indian river system is how much? Around 2000. कितना है हमारे पास? 2000. क्लियर? Within the, अब थोड़ा सा एक चीज हमें जो समझना है कि क्या हमें 690 कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं. Can you say that I said that I have some constitutional and political issue with the Bhutan, Nepal, and then I have also some kind of some legal binding with the China and all. सभी के साथ हमारा है. With the Pakistan also we have some constitutional form, and somewhere we are using the water that social demand, social way. सोशल डिमांड भी है. और आपने इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट इन योर रूरल रीजन एंड आई सेड दैट वाटर इज अवेलेबल वेरी लेस, लेकिन आपने कुछ दिनों में इतना अच्छा कैचमेंट एरिया बना दिया, हरियाली कर दिया, तो ये आपने सोशल लेवल पे वाटर को तैयार किया. यस और नॉट? वाटर स्टार्टेड प्रिजर्विंग इन योर रीजन. रेनफॉल तो होता ही है, बट यू स्टार्टेड प्रिजर्विंग इन दैट रीजन. कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि अपनी पूरी लाइफ दे दिए एक रीजन को। मैंने कभी देखा था फेसबुक पे समथिंग, he used to bring water through the bucket and then after in 30-40 years he made in the largest parkland, national park kind of situation. He put his whole, so water availability come. So social level pe, at environmental level pe people can work on it, at political level it is happening, at constitutional level happening, and physiography itself help us. So I said that जो ये 60-90 अभी जो है ये different factor के through हमारे पास available है. So if I will talk about within the limitation of physiographic conditions, कौन सी condition? तो हमारे पास एक physiographic conditions है जो limitations है हम लोग जो available कर रहे हैं. We have a socio political environmental, हमें एक social level पे भी हमें पानी रिजर्व करना है, वो भी पानी हम लोग 690 में आता है. Environmental, political, that is also I have a limitations on the basis of that preserving it. And then we have also legal, constitutional constraints, and then technology, that is an HEP production and all जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं जितना भी better and better. So technological, water again maintaining into the rainwater harvesting. So again I said that present technology and utilizable quantity of water from the surface flow has been assessed, and how much it is assessed? 690. Understood? तो समझ में आया मैंने क्या कहा? Within the limitation of physiographical conditions, social conditions, political conditions, environmental conditions, legal conditions, legal constraints, and then constitutional constraints, and I said that present technology, utilizable water is available at present, how much? 690 billion cubic meter. समझ में आ गया definition surface water का? How it can be able to see? What is the definition of this surface water? Within the, I said that limitations, within the limitations of, बोला करेंगे